Sports and exercise psychology. Common area of study, there are 5. Number 1, personality. 2, youth sport. 3, coaching. 4, team process. 5, evolutionary perspective. Personality. Personality in sports, everyone is different. According to Wiggins of 1996, personality is difficult to define due to its complex nature. However, one definition in the literature is the characterization of individual differences. As with any construct in psychology, there are numerous theories behind personality. The five-factor model (FFM) of general personality structure consists of the 5 broad domains. Number 1, neuroticism. 2, extraversion. 3, openness. 4, agreeableness. 5, conscientiousness. Another definition of personality according to Allen et al. Of 2011, who have discussed how different trait dominance result in different coping strategies being displayed. This could be important from a coach perspective due to the fact that understanding their trait dominance and the coping strategy which is associated with bringing the best result for that trait, it is possible to individualize direction given to players regarding coping. This relates to the ability or techniques used by an athlete to deal with psychological stressors such as anxiety. Number 2, youth sports. It is an adult organized sports program for children and youth, typically between the ages of 7 and 18 years, which have designated coaches, organized practices, and scheduled competitions. Another definition of youth sports according to physical, psychological, and cognitive development, a child should be at least 6 years of age before participating in organized team sport such as soccer and baseball. For the very young athlete, the goals of participation are to be active, have fun, and to have a positive sport experience through learning and practice of fundamental skills. Number 3, coaching. A coach assists athletes in developing their full potential. They are responsible for training athletes in sport by analyzing their performances, instructing in relevant skills, and by providing encouragement. What is the role of a sports coach? The role of a sports coach is hugely varied, but it mainly involves number 1, teaching rules, techniques, and tactics to beginners. 2, providing an objective view to help teams and individuals enhance performance. 3, helping those involved in the top-level sports deal with the innermost pressure faced in a highly competitive environment. Number 3, team process. Team process enhance communication and participation. Unit-based teams use processes that are designated to encourage teamwork, like outcome-oriented meetings and frequent huddles. By team process, it is also regularly analyze data to make sure their improvement efforts are on track. Through the help of team process, example, it is how members work to carry out the mission and goals of the team and whether the team and its members grow, develop, and improve over time. Evolutionary perspective. Evolutionary perspective proposes that our personalities and individual differences have evolved. According to evolutionary psychology, it integrates psychological theory with evolutionary biology. It is an effort to understand traits, cognition, and behaviors, and how individuals may differ across these in light of achieving their evolutionary goals. The another definition is that evolutionary perspective of personality and individual differences are attempts at explaining our human traits and characteristics at a species level, group level, example, male and female differences, differences in specific personality traits, and at an individual level. Example, it is how each of us are unique in some aspect.